Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another unboxing. This one is called Ataggirl, and I found them on Etsy, and actually I've had stuff in there in my cart from them for months, and I just never checked out, and the other day I got the urge to check out. I let Renee know that I would be doing an unboxing, and she said Ataggirl has been in business since 2008. They specialize in rustic and western beads and findings, and then all of their rustic metal is made right here in Arizona, and I'm in Arizona too, so that it got here so fast. She said she also makes jewelry and does events. This year there'll be an NFR National Finals Rodeo. That's cool. At South Point Hotel, where National Finals team roping event is held. That is so awesome. Okay, so I don't know, most of you probably know what Navajo pearls are. I didn't really know what they were until this year, and my friend Julie loves them. She's like obsessed, and she has a ton of real Navajo pearls, and your girl can't afford Navajo pearls, not real ones anyway, for making my own jewelry. But Ataggirl has faux Navajo pearls. I've heard other sites call them Navajo resin, but look, they're wonderful. So they're Navajo pearls are made by Native Americans and indigenous people, and they are made out of sterling silver. I would love to learn how to make them. I would love to have like a set of my own, but right now to use in my creations I have to go this route because sterling silver is expensive, but they're so gorgeous, and I wanted to get two strands as a tester to see if I really like the ones that Renee's carrying in her shop, and I do. And these were $2.50 a strand, and they're 6 millimeters. So I got silver and 6 millimeter. This is the only silver she had. Or right now, I don't know if she'll be getting them. I also got them in antique copper. So this is 6 millimeter. I definitely think I like the silver just a little bit more, but you know I love some copper. That was 6 millimeter. I got the copper in 8 millimeter, which was $2.65. I love that look. And then I also got 14 millimeter, which was $3.85. Those are some big mamas. Those are gonna look great. I got 10 millimeter too, but I'm not seeing them, so they might be buried. I'll get back to you on that one. And then I got some really cool pendants from her. The first one is this fetish Indian bear jewelry pendant. It was $5. Look at that. It's my little Zuni bear, and it's metal and my favorite color. That's why I had to buy it. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. So pretty. And then the state of Arizona. Had to get that one. They had a couple other states too, but I had to get this one. I think I'll probably either hang something in front of it, put a heart here, or something. I just really love that. It's so pretty. It actually goes really well with the Navajo resin. Next, I got 2 of these. I was thinking using one on a necklace, one on a bracelet. It's these little heart jewelry connectors, and they were $1 each. Look, they have a little heart on them. So cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do one as a necklace and hang something there, and one as a bracelet connector like that, so I can wear them together. Then I got, you know, I love elephants. I got a brass elephant metal stamping. These were 65 cents each. So I got 3 of them. Oh, look! These two face each other. So if I wanted to make a pair of earrings, which, I mean, I guess I could. You know, I don't like making them because I like keeping my stuff because I don't wear earrings, but, well, I don't wear dangly ears. I love that those face each other, and then I have an extra. So I was thinking necklace and pair of earrings with these. Maybe I'd give the earrings to my mom because even if I'm not wearing them, I can see them on her. And then I also purchased this little buffalo who is rusty, and then it has 3 little turquoise cabs on it. So cute. This was $4.95. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be making so much Southwestern jewelry, you're going to be sick of me. But I think you're going to absolutely love what I come up with. Last but not least is a 16-inch large 12 millimeter to 20 millimeter synthetic magnesite graduated discs. So these are also called he-she buttons or freeform beads. She called this green turquoise, and these were $14. So these are green. I recently purchased these from a different shop in a couple other colors, but these are like beautiful. I love this. These actually look really a lot nicer than they did in the photos, but I like the photos. So a little bit more green than the photos, but that's okay with me because now I have them in a few different colors. I did check the packaging, and I don't see the 10 millimeter strand of the Navajo resin. So I'll contact her, and I'm sure she'll help me out. So thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite things were. My favorite was this guy for sure, and then these guys. So be on the lookout. I have I have some ideas for the Navajo resin. I'm really excited. Let me know what your favorite item was, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Goldie's been sleeping like this for the last half hour. Even when I rub her chest or her tummy, she just kind of lays there. Yeah, I'm talking about you, bud. What a goober, huh? You a goober? Yeah. Cute goober, but you're a goober. Look at that belly. Yeah, look at that belly.